Silver shadow, elegance, and highway majesty awaken when the 1954-1956 Greyhound bus is remembered. A machine that turned America's roads into rolling theaters of style, speed, and progress. Your journey matters, your voice shapes the convoy, and your presence fuels this ride. Be a part of our community. Subscribe, and let's keep the legends of transport alive together. The mid-1950s Greyhound buses, particularly the GM PD 4501, introduced in 1954, stood as cultural landmarks, developed through a collaboration between Greyhound and General Motors. The Scenicruiser featured futuristic styling, split-level windows, and a profile that instantly captured attention at terminals and highways alike. Built between 1954 and 1956, around 1,001 units were produced, giving the fleet a unified and iconic identity. The design was inspired by Greyhound's dream of luxury bus travel, and Raymond Loewy's design influence provided a streamlined, modern aesthetic. Underneath, the buses were originally powered by twin 4-71 Detroit diesel engines working together, producing about 275 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. While innovative, the dual-engine setup proved complex and was later replaced in the 1960s with a single Detroit diesel 8V71 power plant for reliability. Passenger comfort was redefined with reclining seats, panoramic windows, restrooms, onboard, and climate control systems, offering amenities unheard of in many cars of the era. Through the years of operation, modifications improved mechanical dependability, suspension, refinement, and body durability, ensuring these buses served across long interstate routes for decades. Their role in connecting post-war America was unmatched, helping shape both the culture of road travel and the identity of Greyhound. As the nation's flagship bus carrier, in today's collector market, restored Scenecruisers from the 1954-1956 period can demand anywhere from $150,000 to over $300,000, depending on condition, originality, and historical documentation. Compared to contemporary buses from FLK Seibel or Trailways GM offerings, the Greyhound Scenicruiser was the undisputed king of the highway, bigger, bolder, and more advanced in passenger amenities. Its split-level, roof, and commanding length gave it a presence no rival could replicate. What remains today is a symbol of freedom and mid-century modern innovation, a bus that not only transported passengers, but also carried dreams across thousands of miles. Surviving examples continue to tour at vintage shows, often restored with painstaking care, preserving their unique silhouette and mechanical soul. These icons were more than transport. They were moving monuments of America's golden highway era. Join our community, ride with us through stories like these, and keep the spirit of the Greyhound Scenicruiser alive for future generations.